Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And isn't it so important that we protect our personal information? This Aurora paper credit card shredder has been an excellent tool for this. I love that it has the ability to shred 8 sheets of 20-pound paper at a time. It really is a great size for home use, and I love the window at the front so you can see when it's full, and easily take the top off and empty the bin when it gets full. There's also a reverse in case I get too impatient and put too many pieces in at one time, and there is an overheat feature that turns itself off. Another excellent feature that it has is the ability to shred credit cards. And don't worry if there's some staples or paper clips in your paper that you put through. It'll eat those up just as well. This Aurora paper credit card shredder has served me well and given me peace of mind to know that I can quickly and easily shred any important documents and personal information. And that's my point of view.